If you have disc-related lower back pain, you're going to hear strengthen your core. And the first thing people think about is sit-ups. Stop doing sit-ups if you have disc-related lower back pain. Just stop. Sit up all the way up like this, getting your chest to your knees. Just horrible for your back. Don't do it. This is a crunch. This is better. And if you don't have back pain, do crunches. But if you have a disc-related lower back injury, stop doing that move. Every time you're going into a sit-up or a crunch, you're going into spinal flexion. And what that means is your lumbar discs are pushing back into that nerve. The vertebrae are opening and the disc is pushing back. And that's what the problem is. So even though crunches are better and that you're not going all the way up, you're still reinforcing that faulty movement pattern. That's the crux of the issue. So just stop doing it. What we want to do is learn to stabilize your spine in its neutral position. So if you have a disc bulge, generally it's pushing out the back into this nerve, right? What we want to do is correct that. So we find that neutral position and stabilize it. Learn how to hold that position. Crunching, which is reinforcing that spinal flexion movement that your body's done so much of and got you into the position that you're in. Learn to stabilize a neutral position, a neutral spine. So what you're going to do is just lay on the floor, spine's in neutral, obviously, because you're on the floor, and then think ribs to your hips to squeeze your abs tight. Keep the head down on the floor, and then hold your arms and legs up in the air as low as you can go while maintaining that flat back position, ribs to your hips, nice and tight. This is hard. Try holding this for a minute or two. If you're shaking, you're doing it right. Learn to stabilize that neutral position.